Hello everyone! Welcome to the Little Miniature channel. Today I am going to draw and color beautiful house step by step. Let's start drawing. First, I'm drawing the roof on the house. I'm putting 2 lines down. I'll draw another long line. It will nicely represent the ground. This is the chimney. Now I am drawing a beautiful door. A round window and 2 hearts. Two windows. Now I will draw a beautiful drawing of a huge tree for you. Then I'm drawing like a beautiful sun, like this. Great! Now I am going to this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. Now I am using red color on the roof and chimney of this house. The sun is orange color. Now I am using the entire wall of this yellow house. I'm giving the windows a beautiful blue color. Pink color on 2 hearts and a door, like this. This time I gave the trees on the side a dark green color. Now I am going to color the main trunk of the tree brown color. Amazing! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you next video!